Hey, welcome to this live recording session of the Digital Revolution with Jim Kunkel. This session is for an upcoming episode titled Digital Transformation, 6 Key Stages of Success. During this live recording, you'll have the opportunity to post comments that I can include into the episode. Before I get into this topic, what I'd like to do is talking about an affiliate program that I have set up with coffeebrandcoffee.com. This is a way that you can support the digital revolution, Coatings Talk, which is my primary industry content series for the protective coatings and corrosion industry. You can also support the rundown, which will be coming out in October on a Saturday broadcast, kind of a fun broadcast to do on Saturdays, and then on Thursday, smash the like. So what I'd really appreciate if you have the opportunity after the broadcast, if you can check out coffeebrandcoffee.com. Go there, you can save 5% or more by using the discount code Coatings Talk during checkout. So again, after this live stream ends, if you could do me a favor, if you could check out coffeebrandcoffee.com, and if you could be so kind, as I mentioned earlier, purchase some coffee or tea or other items and use that discount code of Coatings Talk. It does help offset some of the costs related to producing content. And I really do appreciate that support from everyone. All right, so let's get into this topic for the episode. The digital revolution has transformed almost every aspect of modern life, from how we communicate to how we shop, how we work, and even how we consume media. In this rapidly evolving digital landscape, businesses that fail to adapt, they risk being left behind. Digital product development is a key aspect of digital transformation, as it involves creating and innovating digital products and services that can help companies stay competitive in the digital age. As companies undergo digital transformation, they may need to change their approach to digital development in order to keep up with the evolving market and customer needs. However, digital transformation is not a one size fits all. There are 6 key stages that organizations and companies must navigate to achieve successful digital transformation. And these stages involve and are not only the implementation of new technology, but also the cultural and organizational changes that are necessary to support this and sustain digital transformation efforts. In this episode, I'll explore the 6 stages of digital transformation in detail, including the challenges and opportunities of each stage. So let's talk about digital transformation. Let's do an overview. Consider a small retailer who wants to go digital. At first, a retail business might update its offering and sell products online. But as they continue to embrace new technologies, they may start using data analytics to optimize their inventory and their marketing strategies. They might also implement automated systems for managing inventory and scheduling employees associated with not only their retail business, but also their online business and those functions associated with an online presence. Each of these stages represents a different aspect of digital transformation. As you can understand, the process is ongoing and it can be adapted to meet specific needs for any type of business or organization. So, whether you own a small startup or you're a large corporation, understanding the stages of digital transformation can help you make the most of new technologies and stay ahead of the competition. The goal of digital transformation is to create a seamless and connected digital experience for customers, your employees, and partners. But it's not just about implementing new technologies, but also about fundamentally rethinking how business operates and deliver value into a digital world. Digital transformation is becoming increasingly important as the world becomes more connected and technology driven. Companies that embrace digital transformation can gain a significant competitive advantage, while those that ignore it, they really do risk being left behind. In digital transformation in the utility industry, for example, is set to disrupt the status quo by revolutionizing traditional business models and processes. With advanced technologies like artificial intelligence, the Internet of Things, cloud computing, utility companies can optimize operations, they can improve customer experiences, and enhance overall performance. DevOps and the cloud are fueling digital transformation by enabling organizations and companies to deliver software faster and with greater quality and at a lower cost. These technologies provide a foundation for digital transformation by facilitating collaborative automation and scalability across entire software development lifecycle. Now, remember that digital transformation is not a one-time event, but an ongoing journey. Think of it as a journey. By embracing new technologies and continually rethinking your operation, your business can stay ahead of the curve and meet the changing needs of your customers and your partners. Now, should you consider the path of digital transformation? The answer is whether an organization or company should consider the path of digital transformation. It's a resounding yes. In today's fast-paced and ever-changing and evolving business environment, digital transformation has become necessary for organizations and companies that want to remain relevant and competitive and drive growth. So let me now cover some scenarios where organizations and companies should really opt for digital transformation. The first is stagnant growth. If a organization faces stagnant growth or declining profits, digital transformation can help revitalize the business and drive new revenue streams. Inefficient processes. If manual processes slow down an organization and reduce efficiency, digital transformation can streamline operations and increase productivity. Outdated technologies. If an organization is relying on outdated technology that is not keeping pace with advancements in the market, digital transformation can help modernize systems and improve competitiveness. Lack of customer engagement. If an organization needs help engaging with customers and retaining their loyalty, digital transformation can help create a more personalized customer experience and drive customer loyalty. Competitive pressures. If competition is increasing and organizations and companies feel pressure to keep pace, digital transformation can help them stay ahead of the curve and maintain a competitive edge. And last, lack of data-driven insights. If an organization struggles to make data-driven decisions, digital transformation can help by providing real-time insights and data and analytic tools. So organizations and companies can improve their operations, enhance their customer experience, and drive growth by embarking on the digital transformation journey. It requires a significant investment in time and resources, but the long-term benefits are well worth it. Organizations and companies, as I mentioned earlier, that fail to transform, they really risk becoming irrelevant and falling behind their competitors. Now, the path of digital transformation may be challenging, but it is necessary for organizations and companies that want to thrive in today's digital landscape. So now let's talk about the 6 stages of digital transformation to revolutionize your business. The first stage is assessment. Assessment is always the first stage of digital transformation, where organizations and companies analyze their current technology processes, their best practices, and determine areas for improvement. Now, this stage involves evaluating the company's current digital capabilities, identifying areas for growth, and understanding the technology trends that can help drive business outcomes. Give you an example, IKEA has been utilizing new technologies to enhance its customer shopping experience. While optimizing its cost in 2017, the company procured TaskRabbit, an online platform that enables users to find individuals who can aid with the assembly or the delivery of IKEA furniture to their home. By doing so, customers who may struggle with these tasks are more inclined to utilize the company's services and buy from IKEA. Number two, strategy development. Strategy development is the second stage in digital transformation, where organizations and companies create a roadmap for achieving their digital goals. In this stage, the organization defines its digital vision, its mission, and objectives, and identifies technologies, processes, and initiatives to help achieve these goals. This stage also involves identifying the resources required to implement the digital strategy, including budgeting, personnel, and importantly, technology. Starbucks digital flywheel strategy. It was launched in 2017 and it aimed to combine physical and digital customer experience across rewards, personalization, payment methods, and ordering. By doing so, the strategy aimed to deliver better business results and make it harder for digital competitors to challenge Starbucks in the physical world. Number three, implementation. Now the organization or company executes a digital strategy and implements its plans. This stage involves the deployment of technology solutions, the training of personnel, and the integration of new processes and workflows into the organization's or company's existing systems. In the implementation stage, the organization or company begins to see the tangible benefits of its digital transformation efforts. Another example for this, in 2008, Domino's launched Pizza Tracker system. The tracker allowed customers to track their pizza from the moment it was ordered to the moment it was delivered. The system required implementation of new digital tools and systems to support it. Domino's success led in ensuring that the technology functions as intended and that employees are trained and equipped to use it effectively. Number four, adoption. The adoption stage is the most crucial of the digital transformation journey. With this, you'll be able to achieve results and benefits. The adoption stage is more about getting your employees on board and ready your implementation of your digital transformation strategy. Now, the main objectives in this phase are to build awareness of new processes and tools, train employees on how to use them, and measure how well your people are using them and make adjustments accordingly. In this stage, the organization or company must also monitor and evaluate the results of its digital transformation efforts and make any necessary adjustments to optimize performance. For example, Walmart adopted digital transformation with the launch of its e-commerce platform, Walmart Marketplace, in 2009. The retail giant has been expanding its digital capabilities since then. Its technology division, Walmart Labs, has released various incentive products like Walmart mobile apps, an advanced search engine, and Shop-a-Cat, a Facebook application that offers personalized gift recommendations. Adoption is a crucial stage of digital transformation as it helps to ensure digital initiatives, sustainability, and continued success. Number five, optimization. The fifth stage of digital transformation is optimization. This is the process of fine-tuning and refining your digital strategy to ensure that it's working as well as possible. You also will be able to identify new growth opportunities and make changes based on what worked and what didn't work. And then the last phase of your transformation journey, optimization can be applied to all stages and processes. It can be used to improve efficiency and effectiveness as well as reduce cost. For example, Airbnb continuously optimizes its platform to improve its users' experience, increase bookings, reduce customer complaints. The company has also implemented artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms across their product. Their goal was to create a system that helps improve the context of its listed photos and arrange them in a way that helps maximize bookings. Optimization can also be applied across multiple areas within a company or an organization. For example, you can optimize your website, mobile devices on your marketing strategy for each of your customer segments. And number six, transformation. The last stage of digital transformation is transformation. In this stage, a company can realize the benefits of digital transformation, and as a result, it achieves its objectives. The last step of digital transformation is crucial because it requires organizations to change their culture and mindset around technology, not just their technology tools. The result, a new way of working in an alignment with the company's or organization's core values, which are likely tied to its mission, purpose, and vision for future growth. The transformation will help you achieve increased revenue through more efficient sales processes, improved customer satisfaction through greater and better customer service and customer experience, and reduce costs due to greater efficiency and, importantly, automation. This stage requires more time and effort than the previous stages, but it also is the most rewarding. You must continue to invest in your team through this stage to keep them engaged and motivated during this long journey. Now, let's talk about revolutionizing your business with digital transformation. The six digital transformation stages are an all important part of digital transformation journey. However, remember, this is just an overview that I provided on what to expect during a digital transformation initiative. And a more detailed approach will look quite differently from company to company and organization to organization. Again, a one size does not fit all. Regardless of your chosen route, consider these six stages that I outlined. And it can really kind of illustrate to you how effectively to create a digital transformation strategy and help you determine where you are in your digital transformation journey and where you still need to go. Regardless of your chosen route, um, you know, you really want to take a look at everything. But now that I've kind of covered the six key stages, I'll expand on this episode topic, and I'd like to cover 10 steps for long-term digital transformation wins. True digital transformation can make a business more lean, agile, productive, and profitable. But it's not as simple as I mentioned earlier as a one size fits all. Successful digital transformation will look different for every company and for every organization. And that can really make it hard for leaders to know where to begin or how to identify essential check boxes. And that in turn can lead to digital transformation processes that fizzle, that fade out before they really achieve their real impact, their true potential impact. Even though the unique goals and details of a digital transformation initiative must be worked out by a company or organization's technical side and business leadership, there are fundamental and foundational and ongoing steps that should be common to every digital transformation journey. The first is gather employee ideas. Solid change management throughout the digital transformation process is critical to success, and it starts with your teams. Ensure that you get employee ideas and feedback prior to making any changes. Your employees need to embrace the change. That is critical, and understand how it only benefits the company, but how it benefits them, and that will help you garner best results. Number two, explore service ops. Break down staff, tool, and data silos by exploring service ops capabilities. The push towards service ops is rooted in enterprise IT's need to deliver high quality experiences quickly. It's about changing organization and business culture, processes, and technology platforms to enable and improve user experience through real time visibility, automation, and intelligent collaboration among siloed departments. Number three, implement low code and no code tools. The best way to accelerate digital transformation is to implement low code and or no code applications and generative AI right away. I'll be covering generative AI next week. For example, many organizations today use Microsoft Power Platform to automate processes and build digital solutions for business users without IT departments. Even ChatGPT, if used responsibly, can help your company or your organization scale by giving employees agency to focus on higher level projects. Number 4, strive for the flywheel effect. And I mentioned that earlier in this broadcast. Pick one initiative with significant flywheel effect. For example, establish generative AI policies and cross-functional generative AI working groups. This group should work to identify everyday productivity use cases as well as training and support models for stakeholders. From there, roll out access to relevant tools such as Do It AI for Google Workspaces, Microsoft's Copilot for Microsoft's Edge browser, and Bing Chat. Number 5, work to overcome mindset obstacles. To accelerate digital transformation, it is important to remove mental models and mindset obstructions. This is a transformation, not a change. It requires a digitally expanded mindset. See the possibility in digital and believe in the power of modern technology. Adopt an abundance mentality. Get comfortable with new things and focus on a growth outlook. Number 6, keep up with documentation. An often overlooked component of digital transformation is documentation. Leaders must embrace the truth that change management is not a simple one-time effort achieved through extensive training and rollouts. The light at the end of the tunnel is misleading. Your organization or company will be transforming and referencing documentation well beyond your project management office timeline. Number 7, focus first on better quality data. Whenever organizations and companies talk about transformation, they generally focus more on the fun and the shiny things, when in reality, it should start with better data. Without better data, none of the fun and flashy stuff will ever come true and deliver the value that you are expecting. Number 8, adopt agile methodology. The adoption of agile methodology can accelerate digital transformation. It enables iterative development, focuses on high impact projects, and fosters collaboration. Agile is customer centric and adaptable, and it promotes continuous improvement. It can help you prioritize projects that deliver immediate value and align with customers' needs and for quick wins. Number 9, move to the cloud. Leveraging cloud computing is an efficient way for a company or organization to speed up digital transformation and achieve success. Businesses gain scalability and flexibility and cost effectiveness by moving their infrastructure, apps, and data to the cloud. Further access to a variety of tools and technology is made possible by cloud services, which help hasten the process of digital transformation. And number 10, focus on positive impacts for customers. Digital transformation is best tackled by focusing on low-hanging fruit that delivers a positive impact for customers. By prioritizing projects that improve the customer experience, streamline processes, or address pain points, businesses can demonstrate tangible results. They could build momentum and gain buy-in for further digital transformation efforts. Remember, this is a very important part of your process, is the impact on the customer. Now, let me close out this episode by covering the digital journey. Everyone who's been part of the digital transformation describes it as a journey. Digital transformation takes time, and with a series of evolutionary and occasionally disruptive steps. Like in any journey, you need to decide where to go first. And typically, companies begin with IT uplift and digital operations, followed by digital marketing and new business building. But the four pillars are important to digital transformation, so they may happen in another order. The key to success is simply getting clarity that digital transformation is not one thing, but rather many different things. Having the right leader, resources, and measures of success for the journey um, help towards those pillars that I just mentioned, but can contribute greatly to success. And that's what's important, success. So I greatly appreciate you joining uh, me on this journey to in this discussion, and also I do appreciate you supporting the content that is produced under the Digital Revolution banner. Now, as I mentioned earlier when I was talking about generative AI, that'll be coming up actually on an audio live chat audio podcast that I'll be recording. And then coming up at the top of the hour here, I will have be recording a live chat podcast, and that will also be under the Digital Revolution banner. I'll be doing the same types of format for Codings Talk as well. But that topic tonight will be on new digital technologies. So, I do hope that you do stick around and join me on LinkedIn Audio to record that audio, that live chat podcast episode. And then the generative AI will be next week's uh, topic for the audio live chat podcast. And then for next week for the video for the episode will be what is artificial intelligence. We're talking about the AI brain chips. And I think that will be a very good topic to cover next week. Okay. Well, thank you very much. So please have a great night, a good morning, good day, no matter where you're at in the world today and where you're watching the stream. Thank you very much. Appreciate you all.